Gary found this Farmall Super A for sale, so we brought Mike and Jay and I up to help him take it home. This particular one here is built in 1949.
Drive it home, we'll follow you.
From 1947 through 1954, they made about 107,000 of the Super A's. They had 13 horsepower at the drawbar and 16 horsepower at the PTO. We found the 16 horsepower rating of the PTO was sufficient for running the sickle bar. We made a video of installing that sickle bar mower for the first time, and I'll leave a card right here if you want to watch that. This particular tractor still has the 6-volt positive ground system that it came with when it was new. The tractor itself is in very good condition mechanically. I really hope you like this video, and actually I hope you subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of other tractor videos along with some homesteading videos and some woodworking videos. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks again.